Hello everyone, I'm a product manager with Fralock, where we are leading the way in advanced material solutions. In today's video, I want to talk to you about Fralock's precision manufacturing capabilities. Fralock isn't just about advanced materials expertise, but also the manufacturing processes needed to convert them to high quality and precision specifications. I'll give you an example. We have a customer in the battery market that made a component for an aquatic application where corrosion resistance was a requirement. The problem our customer was having is they had the right raw material for the application. They couldn't find a supplier that could produce a part to their demanding edge quality specification. The customer finally brought their application to Fralock, went through several iterations, and finally produced a part that met the edge quality that they ultimately needed for a successful application. In their words, it was the finest quality they had ever seen. Fralock has always sought to continuously advance and refine our manufacturing capabilities. Fralock realizes that just standing still doesn't get it done. You always have to be moving forward. Fralock recognizes that your needs are always advancing, and so are we.